asking how much is the vegetable that I was holding in the plastic bag. I said it's 75 pesos. And then he said, what kind of dish I gonna make? It's a pakbet. So of course, I was on the bad mood. I was answering her in a sarcastic way. I said, there is no better grout on that, or there is no squash or calabasa or squash or what, or pumpkin. What do you call that? Kalabasa, pumpkin. Yeah. And then she asked me, what is my province?
What is your what?
What?
Province?
Yeah. I said it's a Negros Occidental. Karina! Karina. And then he asked me, where I live. I said, over there. I said, over there. He said, on the scaffolding. I said, no, besides scaffolding. He said, on the Verde Grande. I said, yes. What are you doing there? I said, I'm working. What kind of work? I'm a housemaid. He said, you've been there for so long? I said, no. My employer just hired me. And then she just get away. It means he don't interested in housemaid.
Oh, I see.
Yeah. He don't like housemaid. I guess he's looking for someone to school with. So that's good. You know, people you only just base the way you wear clothes. If they are looking at you that you are wearing a rags, to think you are an housemaid. Yeah, my attire is an housemaid.
Yeah.
I carry a bag, plastic bag, just like, you know. Mamamalingki, mamamalingki, ama. Karina, sama ka. Hey, my love. My love. My love. Okay. Punta ako sa palengke. Haba na ng buhok ko. Oh, fly away na. Tulog pa yung mga people. Yan. Bibili lang ako ng itlog. Wala nga pala yung sauce. Yan. Magdala lang tayo na 500. 500. Bigay ni Andre kagabi. Tapos, ay. Bababa ko pala muna yung isda. Yung aming ref, wala nang laman. Wala nang laman ang ref. Kababa natin ito. Isang isda. Ay, dalawa ba ito? Isa lang muna. Mayroon pa tayong isda. Ayan. So, bababa muna natin yan. Para pagdating ko is ano na siya, defrost. Hindi yata ito na defrost. dito. Wait lang. Dito natin siya lalakay. Charan! So, ayan. Nani yung tawag ko sa sarili ko kasi yan, laging tawag nila sa akin, Nani. Yan. So, yung tawag lagi nila sa akin ay Nani or ano ba yun? Slave or caregiver ba yun? Basta, yun lagi nilang tawag. Yung hirap kasi talaga dito. Ang daming issue. Daming issue. Mamamalengke na yung caregiver nyo. Ito yung ating labas. Ayan ang ating labas. So, papatayin ko yung ilaw. Ayan yung ating labas. Dala ko yung susi. Ayan. Walang basura. Ayan. Mamalengke. Daming basura. Nagkalat na. Ayan. Wala pa yung truck ng basura. Tingnan nyo naman. Wala pa yung basura. Ito, yan. Kita nyo yan? Yan. Ito yung labas ng aming, ito pala yung ano namin, main road. So, ang dami talagang basura dito. Automatic, anong oras pa lang. So, walang kumukuha ng basura. So, ayan, nadaanan tayo ng kapitbahay nating may car. Yan, tapos tayo naglalakad. Ayan. May dala tayong bag. Ayan, mamamalengke lang ako. Parang stress na naman ako. May basura ba mamaya, kuya? May basura? May basura kaya mamaya? Parang lahat naman marami na. Parang lahat marami na. Kadarating pa lang ng truck ng tinapay. Dumating na yung katulong niyo. Yung natira is magkano? 20 pesos. Oh, I did not wake you up because I know you are sleeping beauty. Bumili ako ng 12 na itlog. Tapos itong sweet corn. Ayan. Tapos ito, kaka-deliver lang to. Inantay kong bumaga sa truck kasi ayaw ko nang bumalik. And then, ano pa yung binili ko? Yung okra, yung talong, 3 peraso, 35. Total boss. Yung okra ko, 20 pesos. Tapos, itong talbos. Yan. Karina, we got some sweet corn. This is yours and this is... I don't know if you can eat this. I know you do not eat vegetable like this. So, gonna boil this. And then alamang.